Hi, I'm Gareth Mullen. I look after policy and systems within the health and safety team at Thames Water, and all of that includes all the software packages that we use, including Reference Point that we use for our Thames Water Safety Passport. We see a constant churn of contractor staff coming through. So new contracts will be let, new contractors come on board, and that churn of staff is a key thing for us. The Thames Water Health and Safety Passport is our way of being able to confirm that the people working on our sites have had a Thames Water safety induction, that they understand the hazards that we face upon our sites. So say one of our health and safety advisors is out overseeing an activity and sees something he's a bit concerned about, he can stop the activity, ask the worker to produce their card, and that can either be in a hard copy format or in the Vicada electronic format. And they can quickly, using their phone, check that the people have got the right competencies, make sure that their training is in date, and very quickly verify the status of those workers on site. Our safety improvements have been dramatic over the last 8 years. We've reduced our lost time injury frequency rate down to kind of industry leading standards. Last year we got below 0.10, which for a water company is on the levels of companies like DuPont and others. 10 years ago, many of our contractor staff didn't receive health and safety training as a standard thing. So the Thames Water Safety Passport was introduced originally to ensure that they'd had at least a level of training before they come onto our sites. Since then, clearly things have improved within the construction industry, and a lot more people are more safety aware. But that's allowed us then to move the safety passport into more of a introduction to Thames Water. What are our values, how we do health and safety, and therefore ensure that when they come onto our sites, they know how we want them to operate safely. Thames Water Safety Passport has the ability to message out to our staff, and this is something we're now looking at quite closely. We want to be able to send messages quickly, targeted messages to the people that need to receive them, and this could be a safety alert, such as we want you to stop doing a certain activity because an incident occurred, or it could just be a briefing note to say, here's an update on what's happening, we need you to understand it. Now previously we would send messages out and not be able to confirm that those messages have been heard and been understood by those involved. The Thames Water Safety Passport and SkillGuard in conjunction with Vicada now enables us to look at that centrally and ensure that everybody's got the message that needs to get them. So the Thames Water Safety Passport is proved it's hugely worthwhile for Thames Water. We're now looking with Reference Point as whether we could actually introduce that to a much wider base, such as the whole of the water industry, or even perhaps utilities as a whole. Thames Water has been extremely proud of its use of the Thames Water Safety Passport and its association with Reference Point over the last 10 years. It's enabled us to progress our safety, progress our understanding of our workforce that we have with us, and enabled us to ensure that we send people home safe and well at the end of every day.